Hi everyone, welcome to the Dollar Tree. Let's take a look at what they have. So I noticed there was a couple of vases, like this one right here is new to the Dollar Tree by my mom's house. And there's also those vases right there. They appear to look the same. One of them is a little bit wider than the other. Those are new to this Dollar Tree also. So I'm loving those trinket trays. I think these are new to the Dollar Tree, but especially those square ceramic signs. Those are really good for tier trays. I'm really liking those. Those are new to this Dollar Tree also. And then these signs. So no other Dollar Tree, at least in my area, has these signs. So those are new. I think they're so cute. And now we're getting into the frame area. I didn't see anything really new in the frame area, but they were pretty stocked with the vases and they were pretty stocked with the frames. So I'm still searching for a lot of the items that I'm seeing a lot on YouTube, like the laser cut signs and the galvanized metal letters or numbers. There's just so many things that we still haven't gotten yet where I live. So that's what I'm looking out for. So I'm hoping that you're enjoying this trip to the Dollar Tree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Every time you hit like, you help YouTube to notice me just a little bit more. Have an awesome day.